Hello everyone. We're going to do the Instagram effect in Photoshop. You can use any version of Photoshop for this, even some of the older ones. Hopefully you'll have one of the newer ones. The first step is to obviously open your image. I'm going to use an image of a cat. You don't have to use a cat, you can use any other feline or animal or person or even object. Really doesn't matter. The effect applies to everything. Kinda. The second step is to go to layers and if you can't find layers, go to window layers from here and click on the new layer button here, and then go to colors from over here, click the topmost one and then choose a color that's close to this one, like a pinkish orangish one. You can copy this one here if you want the exact color as this one, but it really doesn't matter. Click OK, click the bucket, and click in the center of the image or anywhere else inside the image. The cat disappears. Don't panic. Go to normal and then choose multiply instead. Kind of gives it that nice feel to it from the start. Now, rookie mistake. While doing this tutorial, I've done this a couple of times, I feel really stupid, but make sure the next steps are not done on the layer one or the color. Make sure it's actually on the image itself. Alright, take this away and go to image, adjustments, and levels. Now what I'm about to do is basically something that's purely from my gut. There is no science to this. You just need to move the sliders, the ones on the left and the right, even the one in the middle maybe, and just have this subtle effect of making the dark areas darker and the bright areas brighter. Just moving them from here to here. This all depends on what kind of image you have and how bright it is or how dark it is, but yeah. So basically just play around until you get a nice effect. If you go too far, yeah, it won't work, so just make sure it's in the middle. Click OK. Click on image, adjustments, and this time go to curves. Make sure you click on the channel and choose red. Let's bump the red up like this. Click OK. Once we have the red, we can go to image, adjustments, and this time to brightness. And let's fill around till we get the desired effect. Really what we're doing is just trying to reveal some detail that you see here in her whiskers. If you go back, it doesn't really look the same. It looks nicer this way. And it depends whether or not you have whiskers in your image or not. Mine does. You have to change it anyway, just to make sure that all of the areas of detail are shown in the correct way, meaning everything that you want people to see is there, and just fix it from now, because we're going to do a lot of editing with the curves. So again, go with your gut feeling, whatever looks nice. Click OK and go to image, adjustments, go to curves again, and this time let's go to green, bump up the green. Yes, let's go to blue, more blue. Alright, click OK. Go to image, again to curves. Let's go to red. The red is fine. Maybe a little bit. Green. A little bit. And blue. Let's not make it too bluey. Click OK. And there it is. This is the Photoshop approach to post-processing, or the Instagram effect. It's a pretty cool effect. Let me open the old image just to compare them. This is the old cat, and this is the new cat. It's pretty cool, right? With the effect, without the effect. It's very dull in this one. So obviously doing it in Photoshop gives you much more control than just using Instagram, clicking Instagram it or whatever. After Effects on your old images. I really like it. I only do my stuff on Photoshop unless I really have to. So stick around. In the coming weeks, I'm going to make a couple of other tutorials, maybe using other effects for photography or doing really cool things with Photoshop or web design in general. Thank you. Bye-bye.